Welcome back to Whimsy Tricks. Today, we're diving into the world of productivity, where time-saving apps and tools can transform the way you work and boost your efficiency. In this video, we'll introduce you to a curated selection of productivity apps and tools that can help you supercharge your efficiency, whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone looking to get more done in less time. Before we dive into the apps and tools, let's talk about why productivity matters. 1. Time is a precious resource. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, and how we use that. 2. In a world filled with distractions and information overload, being productive can help you stay focused and achieve your goals. 3. Whether you're a student looking to ace exams or a professional trying to meet deadlines, productivity apps and tools can be your secret weapons. Let's start with some essential productivity apps that can make a real difference in your daily life. Todoist, a powerful task manager that helps you organize your to-do lists, set priorities, and track your progress. Trello, a fantastic project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you stay organized and collaborate with others. Evernote, your digital note-taking powerhouse for capturing ideas, organizing thoughts, and staying productive on the go. Next up, let's talk about tools that can supercharge your time management skills. Rescue Time, a digital time tracker that shows you how you spend your time on your devices, helping you identify time-wasting habits. Focus Will, a music service designed to boost your focus and productivity by providing background music scientifically tailored for work. Pomodoro, a time management app that combines the Pomodoro technique with task tracking for enhanced productivity. For those who work in teams or need efficient communication, these apps are essential. Slack, a team communication platform that streamlines conversations, file sharing, and project collaboration. Zoom, the go-to video conferencing tool for remote meetings, webinars, and virtual collaboration. Microsoft Teams, an integrated hub for teamwork with chat, video conferencing, file storage, and application integration. That wraps up our exploration of productivity apps and tools to supercharge your efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues who could use a productivity boost. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, productivity hacks, and lifestyle content. Stay connected with us on social media for the latest updates and discussions on productivity. Thank you for tuning in, and may your journey toward greater productivity be smooth and successful.